All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are back with our end of day post wave report with yours truly, the Algo Capitalist, aka the Vulcan, coming to you live from postwavetrading.com, home of the world famous post wave price trigger reports. All right, so in our first chart we have here is the Bitcoin futures. Now, Bitcoin futures did touch 30,000 today, today before pulling back and creating a bullish pointer here on the daily chart. Now, right now, the market is back to 30,000, and we're still under a neutralization process right now. The market has not come off of the neutralization process. I'm getting concerned here that I think that the market, believe it or not, is about to roll over. We'll know it once we come off of this neutralization process. The last time we came out of the neutralization process, we had a crash alert and the market fell dramatically. And I think the market is setting itself up again for that inevitability. So just heads up, if you've been long from the rally alert from the week of March the 28th or from the week of March the 13th, you're going to want to go ahead and start booking some profits, booking some gains, and waiting for the next signal. All right, or at least start popping your way through the trade because it's looking like the market will probably start to come off here soon. All right, next up we got silver. So silver is in a bull market, and we have a bearish trend momentum reading, and we have a negative bot check today. So it looks like we could have a dramatic drop coming here any day now, any moment. I expect a merciless drop. All right. Possibly even going below the Kumo cloud back to the 2150 range. Just red alert, FYI, in silver. We got a negative bot check, which means imminent crash is coming. Please be advised. You have a bearish trend momentum reading. As long as this red line is here, you are in danger. And coupled with the crash alert here and the negative bot check, this one is spelling disaster here in the short run. Ladies and gentlemen, I cannot emphasize this enough. Next up is Nat Gas. Nat Gas has a rally alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading. Let's see if we can get up here to $2.50 after hitting back-to-back 52-week lows. At this rate, I still think it could hit $1.50. It did drop below the $2 mark briefly before bouncing back. So 199 is where we dipped to. It could go as low as 150 if this does not materialize and we don't get this, this bottoming process here done. If the rally alert does not give us any upside production, then I think this thing could go to $1.50. So just FYI on that gas. All right, looking at the Dow. So the Dow is in a bullish zone, but still with a bearish trend momentum reading, and we have a crash alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading. Red alert on the Dow. Next up, we have the NASDAQ 100, which is in a bullish zone, but we have a bearish trend momentum reading. We came into today with a crash alert. This one is in jeopardy of rolling over hard and fast as well. FYI for the NASDAQ 100, red alert to the downside. Next up is gold. Gold had a crash alert, and we got that downside production today. It's in a bullish environment, but it has a red trend momentum reading, which means I expect this market to continue to pull back to the downside on gold. All right, red alert in that as well. Next up is the S&P 500. We got a crash alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading. You're still in a bear market, locked in. The bear market has been locked in. Any upside you see here is limited, as this one's ready to roll over as well. Next up is crude oil. Crude oil is in a bear market with a bearish trend momentum reading, so it's locked in, which means we expect downside to ensue any day now. All right. You've been totally sideways. The only thing that's missing here was this bar right here, because this is definitely a neutralized market. It didn't go anywhere for several days straight, and you had a gap up that you haven't back and filled. So I'm expecting this one to back and fill the gap and to continue to fall. All right. Next up, we got the Russell. Russell's in a bear market with a bullish trend momentum reading. You had this positive bot check. You did get a nice little rally thing going here. So this one is still under the buy the dip, even though it is in a bearish environment. All right. As long as there's the green bars here, the Russell has a chance to rally. All right. And to buck trend, unlike its counterparts. So just FYI, until this turns red, you are in a buy the pullback mode in the Russell. In the US dollar index, you are in a bear market with a bullish trend momentum reading. The market is trying to surge back up to the bottom of the Kumo cloud. That the 101 support is holding up nicely. All right, so it looks like this one's going to continue to drift sideways for a while with a bullish bias, even though it's still in a bear market. Looking at Ethereum, Ethereum is in a bull market with a bearish trend momentum reading. So I'm expecting this one to pull back as well. And there you go, ladies and gentlemen. So a lot of crash alerts and markets in under a bearish mode right now. So FYI, be safe. Better safe than sorry. And you just gotta be patient, let trades develop, and you know what it is, man. The system works if you work the system. All right, so make money, not excuses. Bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. Smash that like button, and I'm out. Peace.